I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by installing Google Earth Pro on Windows and updating your GPU drivers so rendering is smooth. Once done, plug in a joystick or ensure your keyboard bindings are set. This makes control intuitive. Make sure Windows is on the latest updates and that Google Earth can access the internet for imagery. Without that, terrain will be low-res. After installation, launch Google Earth and sign in, if needed to preserve settings, and sync any cached data for faster load times. You now enter Flight Simulator mode via the View menu or keyboard shortcut. This switches Google Earth into real-time flight rendering. Once inside, pick an aircraft and departure airport that match your comfort level. Lighter planes are more forgiving. Then adjust weather, time of day, and control sensitivity so the simulator reflects what you expect. This reduces surprises during takeoff. Finally, calibrate joystick axes and map throttle and rudder controls so inputs match on-screen response. You're ready to fly. Perform a short test flight focusing on takeoff, stable climb, and a controlled landing to validate controls and settings. If you notice stuttering, make sure to lower level of detail, reduce texture size, or enable hardware acceleration. These changes free GPU and CPU cycles. Should Google Earth crash or fail to enter simulator mode, update your graphics drivers, run Google Earth's repair, or reset preferences. This often clears corrupted caches. If inputs feel off, recalibrate and save the profile before the next flight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.